to use or not to use AI at work. The real question is no longer should we use AI, the real question is how do we keep up? Because a new digital divide is here. It's no longer just about who has access to the internet, it has been completely redefined by AI.
Studies from leading firms like Microsoft and McKinsey show that professionals using AI tools are working significantly faster.
Let me show you a story to demonstrate what I mean. Meet Miguel, the expert who trusts skills and experience. He has an MIS degree with over 10 years of experience in software technology. Kyle, the innovator who uses AI. He has 5 years of experience in the same field and is known for his quick, creative outputs.
And guiding them both is their manager, who values one thing above all: results. The next day, a new project put their two different approaches to the test.
All right, team. One of our clients needs us to redesign their login portal and a user dashboard. Miguel, you're on the dashboard. Kyle, you handle authentication. Deadline is 3 days. Let's get to work.
Done. I've implemented the login and registration forms, including the MFA and other security features.
Incredible work, Kyle. Make sure it's up and working.
Leaving Miguel to reflect.
A few more lines of code, and this should be good. The foundation and integration have to be perfect.
But then, a crisis. A problem the AI has never seen before.
The whole system is down. It's a critical bug.
I've given it all the error logs. I've asked it to analyze the architecture. But Tool just keeps giving me generic solutions. It doesn't have the specific history of our system. It can't see the real problem.
It wouldn't. It's not in any documentation. I remember about 7 years ago, we had to build a temporary workaround for a client's integration. It was a custom module that was never supposed to be permanent. That's what the new update is conflicting with.
So Kyle and Miguel worked together. Miguel's solid expertise guiding Kyle's AI knowledge and speed. They came up with a solid fix to the problem collaboratively.
That was amazing. All of my AI tools couldn't have found that one specific detail.
And all the experience in the world doesn't move that fast. Your ability to implement that fix so quickly, it's impressive.
I don't know how you fixed it, but all I can say is great job, boys. Dinner is on me tonight.
Seems we make a good team.
Yeah, we do.
And that was the end of the story. By the way, my name is Jed, and I am a web developer. That story was kinda personal. It's my attempt to answer the questions in my head. First, should we use AI at workplace? And second, if yes, how do we keep up? It's personal because in my career, I had to be both Kyle and Miguel. I felt the fear of being left behind, wanting to rely only with my own skills. But I've also seen the incredible powers of new AI tools. And the biggest single lesson of this journey is this: AI will give us the biggest advantage if we use it as a tool, but not if we let it to make the decisions for us. The best way to prove this is to show you how this video was made. The script in the shot list was drafted by Google Gemini. The characters and their voices was generated through Google Labs and Studio. The music and sound effects were from Epidemic Sound. I'll be honest, it took a long time for me to write all the script because AI couldn't finalize the story the way I wanted to. That's why I came in with the Adobe Premiere Pro to guide the process and to give a clear human meaning. And my advocacy is this: our journey of our constant adaptation isn't about choosing between Miguel the expert and Kyle the innovator. Harness the power and speed of AI, but always guide it with your human wisdom. And that's how we bridge the divide. We should start it from ourselves. Thanks for watching.